party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with Maya. Me person me come any months with Jamaica. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill.
Hey, one and Nick Hassan. What me found quiet? Ah, what me found quiet?
It's just a delivery guy.
Pay. Hey, now what's out here?
Can't say all that things now.
What that day? Hey, now who you go say for sir? Who you go say for papa? Wo someone you can come to say what you can be. What? Ah, what we are doing best to say brand be sua de. O ma no papa do best to brand be sua de na gise ke papa bi. Na fa bo bra na. Wo ba ya nya no na odi echi. Wudi kwase ampanyu echi amena nyem. Ah, wo to onyem. Hey!
Schoolness.
Schoolness,
who told you that I'm pregnant?
No, that is all
I'm not pregnant.
Wonyim she when near singing na ye cape no. She maternity was in what they call
it.
Ne. Hey!
Schoolness, I'm not pregnant.
I want you to me akoma Aroma we anyim wo.
Schoolness, I'm not pregnant.
Hey! Who you when near say, che. Wakuma nwa na ebo pepe. Hey!
I'm not pregnant.
She when near singing na ye fitay. Hey! How going him? Hey, no one's out here. We will name some more free abere. What it? When him says hello. Hey!
Schoolness, I'm not pregnant. I don't like that. We have been I am now for body I was kumano.
Hey!
Body I know.
Who's obeying? Any informable. You don't go to any informable.
Because I'm body, I'm still waiting almost or more bobo.
So you brony or mukwa. Who would you? Any informable voice, I want you.
Every time people are falsely accusing me of something. How am I pregnant? Have you tested me? Have you tested me?
Me tell you. Would you call me baby cry and you cry? No, the mayor. Who's it day? What but Damujo Benjamin about Aquabra? Who Benjamin Bay? Ubenya junior salu yonko no wo kira akra de kwa hwe ne fe ye na udimlika kodi kwa sempanyu echi se me ne nyem na be da hwe examsi wo be da hwe wo
I said I'm not pregnant. I don't like that.
Wo gu won ma se papa wo gu won ma se wo ye on se kokko ya tu ai de begu ayi so yenya wo horo ho wo kira honum hwe de waye wo sa brofon katie bread tu mu abetan na besua de wo se manyem
until when I on TV that's so be anyim was school. No. I'm not saying I'm pregnant, but it's not any news. How you are talking is like it's a huge thing. People have been getting pregnant every day in this school.
It also can be.
I'm not part, but like don't make a big deal out of this. I'm not pregnant.
Hey, who just you when pimples and you say who you can symptoms in one edro who be no. Show some nyina show some nyana pie fit just a wonyem. Hey!
The way we are for 200 panico.
Hey!
For 200 panico.
Nemiti wapa. Hey! Semiti wapa. Nemiti unye obibia na semiti wapa memedunya mebo odua. Mamu odua pa na nyemia. Semiti unya ohwe. Na otimi di miti wapa di matem. Mebo odua. Me. Unim me.
Schoolness, what did you matem? So I just said one. Also, my bro, sound me see me just second dance. Who one more be about to me? Famous so cool.
I'm in Pankwan, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with Maya. Me person me come any months with Jamaica. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. Pray that.
Okay. Okay. Me quite. One man me.
So I was after 4 children.
Now, me quite no, I am Michelle. Yeah. Shall I watch it?
Over with the acid.
Because I'm more put some respect on me. Grandpa to bra. What is it? Yes. I'm here. You what, Diana? Now, there be now so more day. Oh, Cassam, watch a more Cassam, make me come. Now, when you're not my respect to no Majina, I will behold me. What is wrong about
you?
you?
We are crying, Mamma, crown peon.
Hey, watch it.
Ah, we are crying, Mamma, one peon. What did they know me?
Me made dinner over.
Then I'll give you.
My name wasn't coming besides a woman. I would do every more.
And see, how we are then who's a minion.
Me, then I mean who now I wouldn't own him. Men I mean who's own him. Who I wouldn't own him.
I say, Minion, my echoes was swimming in a wampa.
I don't want to catch us on him. Now, when you my news, I don't know, I'm panting on him, no news, Ben.
Then I'll give you.
And near me, as Antoine, and near me. Oh, and near me, Timmy.
Open me,
and near me.
Oh, maybe someone said,
I dare me chino bow on any Cassano who do. One way, no, Ocean of Fire, two minutes, and near me. Jim. She said, oh, one
top with a crop top amount.
Oh, but I never top crop top.
Then I'll pay, then I'll give you.
I didn't soon I wore me.
Open me, Anna.
Me person say won him e do obi ati a minimum na do was me na me dey
obi aso na kai
say
let's say what be the matter near to the extent say won the school nurse mo dey be me
na won him
me na be catch us me nyim
e na me si nyin se no so say o don aka say won him asa
dey o na me dai na me nyim ya na
won him kan kure me dey wiase dey me chirin po twantro ade no won him
say me no ko hospital si na me ko check na me nyim ma me nyode
me say won him me I put it to you
there be opoku
what
me no ko hospital si na me ko check na me nyim ma then na wo me nyode
na won him ase ne ne wayi akra na gu
me
ameka che say won him say you go na won him ya no wayi gu no say tia kan na mra jemu
me minje u
na won him me na kasa
me be so akonfo me ba be so akonfo
sa won him say you go no say tia kan na mra won him an wayi gu won him an enipa na ade ne bawiase na enipa na ade ne bawiase wo yi nipa wo ma me yi utugu ya Akabenezer abeya santo a ja na me kan kire nyinse we on se onim na yi gu a wo pede
me nya ba wo ha de wo be si pa me shoot say de me hwimie mba
akwa pa aya no oya no ho sa se da so SS1 o santo this time around no me be ma walifo
why Luciana
aga de efebe o
Luciana
pepe no se ka check
ana Tatiana
me see me be ma warifo me a responsible boy
she
I don't know why you didn't say. Oh, baby, tell me who me I fell. Don't know.
Ferry.
Unyam na me huna makoka no no
even come home 7.
Unyam me say unyam you are pregnant.
Oh, okay.
Jim. Jadi o chere we. Asato an me tu chede o. Wan hwe me tu chede o. Jadi o chere no me school man me sonso me ho. Me pese me ni school man for benya case. I go by the rules and the regulations in this school.
Opoku nye be ma wo.
Na me jam me straight dress. What is onyem
yes all the so kwa
onyem na ya hu na amafo ate a ujira no mo be yese de na ate se menyem na wona akwa kira amafo se na wa wonim se onyem
me na me ka kira se menyem
na ena me kire se wa wonim se onyem
na wo obi onyem a wo behu
ada obi onyem ote se
wo obi onyem a
woni ase nyina na atotom onyem
me ase tutum
ate
me ase
onyem na we musuo mo na ye fo nyaw na nyi se we yigu ka de efe be ye wotan
wo why na ka kira se menyem
onyem
there be why the catch
and you be na catch me onyem oni Scanty nyem
ade efebe yo tan o school ha
o so wona ade efebe yo tan hwe no anyi se we hu hwe ye no anyi se we hu santoa hwe ye no anyi se we hu wate nye de ehia ni o dey o gba dey
ujame
aka ya na ka me imagine me bwa
shabe shuwa
o ye na ka me imagine ha me bwa
there be bra
twa wasa left what gumeni masi papa una school man na left
oh brother me ka
me ba this school man na first get ni nyina chi usa left
oh brother
minim ene de ehia ni fire war what it
what's it
fire war
wow
fire war what it e na me
yeah me pen kwara me nyo the party they come my way oh yeah me am embroso we me ya me pese me come any months
I'm say you sent MK and I to go and conduct a pregnancy test on this student Asantua. So we've done it, and then the report concludes that she's not pregnant.
She's not pregnant?
Yes, sir.
So Asantua is not pregnant?
She's not, sir. Sir, I was a little bit skeptical, so I ordered for a rerun, and then the report that came also signifies that she's not pregnant, sir.
So who were those circulating that rumors that Asantua is pregnant, and then the school nurse too held it as if having, oh God.
Yes, sir.
This man, I don't know how to handle him. Actually, I don't know. He's...
Sir, but there's one problem.
What is it?
After when we finished conducting the exam, the test,
yeah,
we came home and then MK came to told me that
he came back to you to tell you what?
That Precious is also having a ban in the oven.
So this guy, is he going to allow us to rest? So did you believe him?
No, I didn't. How can Precious get pregnant, say?
You see, this is exactly what he did. Pushing us, Asantua is really pregnant. That day, you saw what Asantua is pregnant. I'm saying it on authority. After running the test, she's not pregnant.
And then,
so, I don't know why he's so enthused to see that some of our girls are pregnant.
He doesn't want the progress of this group, say.
What does he want? What's his interest in these girls becoming pregnant?
I can't tell, say. So say, what do we do in case?
In case what?
Is,
forget about that stupid man. Asantua is not pregnant, isn't it? So be it. No one is pregnant.
Say, I was thinking if we can call Asantua and then sit in council with her.
On what? After you disgracing yourself?
Sir, not Asantua, Precious.
Precious?
Because
so why I'm coming? What the justification that what Baba is telling you is right?
Sometimes we have to understand him. He's the school nurse, and it maybe he has seen some symptoms.
I'm coming. Is he not the same school nurse who stood on his feet, firmly that Asantua is pregnant when you ran the test? What happened?
Some rumors can be real.
But he gave you that same rumor. You went there and you disgraced yourself. Let me put it in the right manner. We disgraced ourselves. So do you want us to continue disgracing ourselves? Master, use your mind.
So we should treat that one as a fallacy. Precious one.
Precious, what Baba is telling you is kaput. Put it aside.
Yeah, me the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with me yeah. Me person me come anymore.
How are you? I'm also good, thank you. They gave me an assignment, but I'm not really understanding it, so I'm going to ask that. Oh, help me out.
Sure.
If you don't mind, if I'm going to serve it.
I don't mind. Sure. I don't mind.
Okay, thank you.
I don't mind. Sit down.
Thank you so much.
Are you a newcomer?
Yeah. Oh, sorry. I'm Sharon.
I'm Aroma.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Okay, so...
Yeah, they said we had to translate some words into Latin and...
Yeah,
so...
Okay, I learned this, I think that was the last 2 weeks. But you know what? I need to go and make reference from the other book.
Okay.
So let me have a look at this.
Sure.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I will make a reference from the other book. You understand? So I will come in.
So when can I come back? Since they will be needing the assignment for tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
What is the time?
Well, it's 2:15 now.
2:15. Can you come around 4? Around 4? Because I need time to.
So will I meet you here at the same spot?
And before that, what's Sharon, right?
Yeah, I'm Sharon.
Yeah, me the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with me yeah. Me person me come anymore so me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my.
Hi. How are you?
What are you?
Amigo mío.
¿Ah?
¿Cómo está ahí?
¿Cómo está?
Me estoy mancando tantísimo.
Okay,
yeah. Wait a second.
What are you? Hey, la mostra con trepe.
I see you people.
I've missed you so much. I've been looking around for you. I can't find you anywhere.
Sometimes we the umbrella, we don't sit in the school. We find our time, our cool place, then go and sit there.
I see.
Yeah.
That's cool.
What language was that?
So how was the studies? How was everything?
Well, it's kind of difficult. I even came to ask help from my new friend. My new friend.
No. Which course?
Yeah, they said we should translate from Greek to
Translation?
Latin. Yeah.
You don't have problem.
Oh, really?
I can help you.
Well, he said he was going to help me.
No. See, sometimes you have to ask. Whenever I'm not in a school, just ask for Oboy Salu. I'll help you, okay?
Okay.
Apart from me, nobody.
Okay.
I will be your bestie, okay?
But
you don't like bestie.
Oh, that's cool.
Why okay. The time you come, he was laughing or moody.
Oh no, he was cool.
Why are you frying your face?
Did I say anything wrong?
No, we are okay. So I will help you, okay? Only the transition.
Yeah.
Come with me.
Okay.
Hey, Sharon.
Hey.
Where are you going?
You guys are making me feel bad.
No, don't feel bad. Hey. I'm okay. You are okay with me, okay?
Okay, sorry. Salut.
Why are you doing sign language?
Salut.
You don't do sign language here.
Salut.
Yes,
please. You know why you need disrespect? You know that, right?
No, what have I done?
At least say hi to me. What Bamino did to you? You didn't even greet.
I didn't see. I see the beauty.
Okay, no problem.
I see the beauty. I thought you were Sokoji and succulent. You don't know succulent.
Yeah, no.
I will make you laugh, okay? You see, in this school, we they own the school. Okay. My puppy be school nurse.
Oh,
you understand? And me, the handmaster be like this. We are like 5 and 4. You see that thing?
Oh.
Yes. So me with the clerk, I can help you. You can get good grace through me. So if you want to go to the headmaster, just pass through me. If you want to go to the sick bay, I'm there.
Okay.
Because I work part-time with my father at the sick bay, school nurse. I don't know when I'm I don't know okay, Anna. Any good news, Mawana? Are you
sure?
The time I'm in China.
Okay, then thank you. Sorry for the disturbance. Okay.
Let's go this way. You go for it. That's all very much. Where's Island?
Come, brother. Oh, salut, brother. Bravo, da, bra. Oh, what do you know that? Bra. Oh, come, salut. Bra. Wife, brother, it's nothing.
I'm okay, man. Come on.
Come and sit down. Let's talk.
You are looking good, though.
Salut, come. Oh, I'm serious. Bra. Yen come. That's nothing.
Only way to be no one can say. So the out that to our Let's walk.
Okay.
Yeah, me pen what I mean, the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya. Oh Lord.
Oh my, in the special and in my room in the special. Oh my, in the special and in my room in the special. Oh my, and see the last minute the old to know one soon and do.
My money.
My money.
Missy can no way. I don't want Jamaican wife.
Which you need to about boy and champ quantity great to grab on me.
My baby, baby, Ben was him now.
Scabber and so on some now.
Who names can make a was Opoku from 2K, mammy. And then many are broach, I baby, seven. I'm coming on this army. Missy can now change from my demand.
Cheap. Oh boy and chain, Maba. Oh boy and chain, but you have to be nice. You don't have to be rude.
Okay, I'm nice.
This is not such a way we ask money from someone.
Hey, what's the mechanic?
And it can do. Usika na adama mjom fanto. Me kwa ma force so say fama me to. Me timbabi na oba na say. Opoku ma me sisi. Ana send this kan na ebesi me phone so. Me kwa me si me koyi ama na say da. Me first kan me fanto. Ti me ma force so say first kan ma me to ma but eno no dey me nim say me honom no me dipem. But eno na chen eye sika no de ma me anka say me ni. Ana me diska no. Inti ampa okasa de me ka me ni wachi ne. But nya abotre do si munyimi nya abotre sika na me de be ma. Ah? Eni kwanso oba oda obo en kasa. Oh, eni kwanso oda obo en kasa.
Ah.
Debe na.
Jai boy, menya me no won ye hye bi. Mo de mpacho fam.
Say.
Ada wo bibi ne me.
Oh, come on, say me baby girl. I'm baby girl.
Hey, you stop me nko, na fam sika ma me na me nko. Ne de ochi.
This you wani bresem.
Many abre from sika ma me na man jimi sika na me baby abeko bia me no na ekọ. Me di wachi ade sam sika kam sika. Fam sika ma me. Baby abeko bia me no na ekọ. Ade so di sika ahya me nsem. Nti so on pesa wo nkofo be hu si ejina hot senyoma na o ye na fam sika ma me na me nso refri anko.
Luchi, me hu so wani abre. Luchi. Enye fese oba be jira me ni makasa kasa obi twam kra e fere. Ochina papa be do sika.
Time be. Anopa de said anopa time be.
Anopa de bobe e wana.
Anopa one say
Scanty. Adi sa de wan hu so ba me nchen. Utiri hu kwabo wate.
O si anopa one time be.
Huh?
One ni anopa one year wia.
She me say one anopa de be 11 maba.
Me hu we.
Ko de blahaya anopa blahaya. Iti Luchi ti wo da me ka. Luchi ka de ma ya ma pen Luchi.
O so kai dem ye ma wa ye mi say.
Luchi.
O de boni eti ameka nka me nya o.
Luchi de ma ye me de boni na eti aka Luchi.
Eh.
Opon bibia Luchi. Me do. Luchi. Na me na wo da Luchi. Ni na won kai wo fi.
Sana wo nim de wo ye me. Me ti me baby na aba ayo Opoku.
Luchi, say de unyina so sitie Luchi wa mam dogi me nru so still na matentene. Luchi na me na wo da.
E baba
we nyina punishment we nyina Luchi won kai. Luchi. Bitimi tentene. Ade me nru so me dem na so na matentene. Na ma yesi. Na ma yesi still na me no da Luchi na won kai.
One me ba be jimi sika 11.
Luchi. DB we dey Ehremia mia na mayo. DB we dey Ehremia mia na maye. Because Nyakopon pa yi DB ama bra o school ma. Nyakopon abon ho modern pa pe. Ahwe hu mobo ama me DB. Ese me dey akra ni dey akro. Mia mi hu dey tete mi sa o. E me man ka say yenim dey pe.
Precious. Precious. We enum ase.
Me so ni sakra. Because upon say she being so brilliant, you know, na can be see me the future brightness.
Yo mu na ejimi. Omo wa be bebe yo mu na ejimi. Hey, me dey say black asem ya American. So be team yi na do adwena mu. Say black. Hwe school yo ho. Nipa wo ha school. Wada no beifo bon sama wo say school mo school yi if Aroma. Akwana onyo we beifo ni school. Hwe ebe ya kan ho. Assembly be kan ni headmaster be kan yen kan ni akwa na di. Yin di school mo because akwa keto to school mo na masem NC NC mami fon penfo yin akwa na o di de o. Urum dan ti say yem pe kwa bisu yem pam ni school mo na afi asem ye fa na asem nko no school yan fa ho die.
MK
Asem na make no.
MK, you don't have to be before the boxing ring, before the tune. Huh? And play with home. School you were leader hanum headmaster. He is our leader. I was say asim we economy. Do you know be canon? Na fi asum. Yenti me fiti preocupen say ye be time no ye in a dear film. What are we going to get from that?
The black pa ya no wadwen kura to say kure nia.
Madwen to say wo die ni bia.
I said demo say nkwasasem say de no. Asuma make to make Kenyan sasem che say open school year. Dia kure yi enye. Akure ti school man on yim school mom e ban. E ti ene menya wo ne madwen ye pa ne ye kacha headmaster obehu say after munya madwen ye pe dia. Eni akura na mpa ne yesem yi na di. Na me ko na me ka different now so ka different e be dey what me asum.
Ena me so me ka tell say ye nya bote na asem ye wura mu ye
wura ma ko sidai wura ma ko ye so fifi na hu saman wura ma ko sidai de na wura ma ko re
mk enya de o pese o ye no me so me bi me si ye nya bote ye hwehwe asem ni nwi and then headmaster na obi obeti mama final verdict you and I ye ntimi nya hu bibia ba so be ka say me kan we should connive na ye nyi boy na dinu de no
na me mu so asem e de na ja itimi take decision je so be take decision lawyer si nya ka bo no my one no ni na sha adwen no take decision
asem bia o kan I will see Aroma and a baby for our school no or say crown but me who say Aroma but whether it is you
abe wo yale
wo yare
say that wa podam
yes be enu trim
won say that be wo atwini be enu tem say ba na ya gi na few sem so to na aboard am na wo
me ba no
wo be gi de ba
yes meji I have grounds
me na wo say wo be gi oba we e bi kwa say me tina say abompa yo sumo hu de eko na kama oni nya ade a wo gi no a wo gi kensi mu no yem nye tina say ni ye dwiri nye pe ni enko ni headmaster nko say headmaster say school ye hu ni problem ye hu ni how school die nti my ha adwi nyina eni akoda yi ewu etiem pam na
enyo no ewu
na be o yale
wo gina we ade da wani so wo hwe nyu kwa yi obi die ma no wo se me wo no ka wi
e me se wo hu enkura no mbedi wani sa enkura no mbedi
wo so mfa sa chechem se wo die me wati
black
wo de wo mu hu na wo so da ye wo basa e de yi yo be kan ni dua my mouth ka butu kisara be budua
oh fama me
yo be kan ni dua
me de snap nya be kan wa boda ma hu
ni obi an ye bu ni dua nya no because me I haven't wronged you
me de tata se wadi nkwasasem wo don sabom no uni nkwasasem wo don sabom uni nkwasasem
okay I have better things doing I'm leaving okay
Unyina moye mo abonsafo muti school mu a school ye pe mo mpe
school no na ogu school no usunu ban wo na ogu school no
mem sun banam
wo na ogu school no
so wo this one nyara me school me wo pane bo ne ku wo ye fon pa wo wo de ehwe
wo ye fon pa wo ye fon pa wo
black wait no bro black me drink me wo di mi si o black me do go black me drink me wo me
wọ́n sọ sọpá o.
Sẹ́yìn tí náà bẹ̀rẹ̀.
My friend ọba ansa hanum yẹ cool. The reason why my friend ọba yẹn sẹ ẹnẹ diẹ mi bá bẹ jí mi mú ayé. Ó kà sọ ọkọ̀ dáadùn yẹn, wọ́n máa mi 2 weeks. 2 weeks in my train. Yẹ wọ akora nkà wọ̀ nyini. Jana diẹ bá náà wọ́n bá náà diẹ na positive, everything is positive. Ẹ̀mẹ̀ má mi excuse bí ansa nka nkyẹn mi sọ ọkọ̀ akọ̀ dáadùn yẹn, wọ́n ẹni dẹ̀ nka mi ntwom ha. Kena me de nia tin ne be bibia wa ha sei ti de tia me frɛ oba no me twɛn.
Okay. Is the last time you were talking?
One me na kasa o ti kasa de.
The last time you were talking. I heard everything you said. And then you see you gave me a toffee.
Yeah. Set toffee na me de ma. So beti ase ana.
Martins.
Ti me de toffee na to.
Da bi. Okay. What's toffee na de on? Say that Mami mo.
Ope toffee on. Ti toffee entia. Ene ka toffee nko ari me metimi atotoffee ama o. Se toffee ne de da wana.
Mani yesa.
Ba sa na wo pa kire.
Ba say on say toffee ne ede.
Toffee ne ede. Iti ne kura say what ti ase ana ase de. Okay. Ope me. Owa. Saka bi.
$1.
What is of toffee and I said, what dummy Ankasa?
Because my dog, like my dream, that's so nice.
I didn't chase out dummy. I didn't chase out dummy proof.
Medo, many then I want some medo.
Anything you can do. Baby, now bring my gun and chase out dummy. What you say?
Nothing a minute.
Like show something, at least.
That's so me. Oh,
a friend. Yando Mesada.
Oh, hey, sir.
What you say? What you say? Over dummy. Yebe. Yebe. It's part of the game.
I shall see with the industry.
Not time any baby. A quite anymore. Send cow. You bet me, I'll come papa or young penny officer and can question her. Obasic be a man, I'm a show.
A queen in my neck.
A quite anymore now, any man.
And into this now,
meaning, sir, but hey, be able to miss you, and be big cat walk now. Hey,
I say, you'll be answering a pill, must make us so.
Sir, a joke, we are proud. Yes, we answer, Opeda. What am I? ene wonche ho inde nyame meso ana
ense na metimato me so omunye hard
what you say am what you say mo blam so wan ba
see how pemi but man
na onye romantic sir
Ube na timene so. Ube na jai.
Ube for forehead ne ba.
En fashion. Na krade ni.
Say na be ene say na obabu mi o.
Mi am de be ma o. Banya botra sa wo pere kon kopente mo kwan. Oh, perturbo.
I be time ni ho, time no day.
I will give it to you on my own terms. Like I'll do it. Don't worry, no now. I'm not in the mood to kiss anybody now.
I say, we ga guy bi ana.
Amen, provide.
Share.
I won't remember.
Me san chomra. Intinga wo di rough. I say, oh, like permanent go twa for so my patch o. When your papa me the first person me met me apel am woni age no I proud no me san chomra. Eh me so me chime ho papa.